Hey guys, so I'm gonna do a waterfall challenge. Sometimes I feel like I feel something on my face. How's it sticky? Okay, whatever. So I'm gonna do a waterfall challenge. I've been doing this all day with the water. Even yesterday at night, I started doing it with the water. Got my water. This is the water I drink, basically. You're probably asking me, why's your hands blue? Well, the truth is, I was eating Takis that were blue, and I really love the blue Taki dust. But the blue Taki dust is really spicy, man. My mouth was on fire. Three, two, one. Cheers. So, before I choke, only drink hot water if it's cold. Great waterfall. I be doing this in gym class a lot. I be doing this with the water. But if I have Gatorade with me in gym class, I'm like that with the Gatorade. And then the last time I did it with Gatorade, I almost choked on that. But I got this water and I did it with the water, and the water didn't do that to me. I think it's because I was trying to drink both at the same time, and I don't know where I put the caps, but I just like hold them somewhere. No, I did it with the Gatorade first, and then I did it with the water. That's another way that people like to lose the weight. But me, I don't know how I lost weight. Sometimes I kind of gain weight, sometimes I lose weight. If I don't eat that much, then I'll probably gain a little weight. But if I eat a lot, I probably will lose that weight. But if I don't eat that much, then I'm probably gonna gain that weight for like 2 days straight. But if I eat a lot, then I'm not gonna gain that weight. Stay on water, guys, because that will help you lose the weight faster. If you're not drinking soda or anything, you can lose that weight in like, I don't know, just trust me, trust me. Tequila.